Welcome to our video on SuperSimple Typing Test, the ultimate free tool to enhance your typing skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced typist, SuperSimple Typing Test is designed just for you. Let's dive into what makes this app a must-have for anyone looking to improve their typing speed and accuracy. The interface is incredibly easy to use. Just open the app and you're ready to start testing your typing skills. You can choose from different difficulty levels, such as easy and hard, to match your skill level and challenge yourself. Customizing your test duration is simple. Set the time you want to practice, from a quick 1-minute test to a longer session. After you finish, you'll get detailed results, including your words per minute, accuracy, and the number of errors. This helps you see exactly where you can improve. One of the best features is the progress tracking. You can easily monitor your improvement over time and stay motivated as you see your skills grow. And the best part? SuperSimple Typing Test is completely free to use. So why wait? Start typing your way to success. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Happy typing!